Central World. We are here sa Central World and same sa Platinum Mall, kailangan nimo magpa-cash in before ka makapalit sila ang mga foods. Let's go. Nice kay tanawon nila hang durian, murag fake tanawon. But this is real. Free taste durian in Central World. Sa lang ko uy, durian. Tom Yum Chrome. Fried crispy chicken. We also have chicken kaprao. Mao daw ni siya ang must try if naka sa Thailand, ang ilahang boat noodles. We also got the fried shrimp. First boat noodles experience. Let's go. Lamig ito siya, must try. Fried shrimp. Shrimp na yun. Chicken kaprao. Chicken. Mango sticker rice. Green and white. And for our drinks, we have Chatamyo Thai tea. Lamig na po siya. Fairness. Largest gentlewoman in Central World.